Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a what's in my bag video. I have been sporting this Lacoste reversible tote bag around here recently. I feel like this baby blue color is just in time for spring. It does have a gorgeous navy blue interior if you want to reverse the bag. It is reversible and just as beautiful the other way. This is one of those bags I get so much use out of, and I thought I'd share what I've been toting around with me lately. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So I have really been enjoying this tote bag. I feel like it is such a good price point for the Lacoste brand. Lacoste is French and the brand is really well known. Here in the United States, it's often referred to as Lacoste. Either pronunciation is correct. I grew up overseas, so Lacoste is how I always pronounced it growing up, and that is how the French pronounce it. So I'm going to go with Lacoste, and I'm just going to go ahead and share what's in this bag. I love it. So the price point on this is really reasonable. I want to say I paid $150 for it, and I feel like the brand Lacoste is not cheap. Their clothing is quite expensive, so the fact that their reversible tote bag seems so affordable is just kind of mind-blowing in the best possible way. So not complaining, loving it. So I'm actually very interested in possibly picking up some more from this brand because their bags are such good quality and they're absolutely beautiful. The clean lines and the beautiful aesthetic of the bags is so good. Okay, enough about the bag. Let's see what's inside the bag, okay? So first, let's go ahead and just get to the good stuff. This has become one of my favorites lately. I always carry snacks around with me anytime I go anywhere. So good. So that's in there. I also have the most adorable Coach pouch. And in here, I just have my cell phone charger because we can't leave home without it. And I just have the cord for that. So if I need to charge that, it's easy and it's all in this cute little pouch. I always love to be able to just find what I'm looking for. So that is in there. I also have this really cute MAC pouch, and I picked this up from Nordstrom. It came with some eyeshadow and a mascara, I believe, and then this adorable pouch came with it, and I probably bought it more for the pouch than for the makeup, but that's okay. So in here I have my extra gum. I'm a huge gum chewer, love gum. I also have these really good Listerine sprays just to freshen your breath, especially after I do coffee, which is frequently. I always carry Dramamine because my little girl gets car sick very easily. And then I also carry around my sunglass lens cleaners. It just makes all the difference with my sunglasses. And then I love these wet ones to just kind of wipe your hands if you are out in public before you eat something. So those are the little goodies that are in this MAC pouch. So next I have my full-size Louis Vuitton wallet. This is the Clemence wallet, and I have this in the monogram as well as the Demier Azur print, and they're all so good. This is the Demier Bean, and I love it. So good. So next I have this Lacoste pouch. So this came with the reversible bag, which I love. Anytime they give you a pouch, not only did I feel like this was a good price, but the value for the money. Not only are the products gorgeous, but it gave me a pouch, and I love this pouch. It is so cute. So inside this pouch, I have my car keys. I also have my hand sanitizer. have a Burberry perfume. I love Burberry perfumes. They are so good. I also have a L'Occitane hand cream. This one is so good. And then something I have been loving a lot lately is this lovely face mist sunscreen. You just spray it over your makeup, which is so convenient, and it just protects you from the sun. This is so good, you guys. Love this one. So that's all the things that go into this little pouch. I also have this Coach journal / planner, and I love this because not only is it pretty, but I am very much a note taker. I take notes for everything. I make lists for everything. I enjoy doing a gratitude journal. I like to write notes when I do my devotions in here. And so I absolutely love having a notebook, and this one is so pretty, you guys. I also ended up picking this up, and this is just the pens for my journals. So I love color pens. It makes it fun. It makes it pretty. And so this is so cute. I love this. Now I'm filming on my phone, but normally my phone would be in there as well. So I just threw that cover in there. I also have a hair clip, and I seldom leave home without a hair clip. And then I also have my sunglasses, and I have my Hydro Flask water bottle. This, of course, matches, so I had to take this one instead of my other one. It is so cute together. All right, so next I have my Longchamp pouch with handle, and this is one of my favorite cosmetics bags. It is so good, and I carry with me a face powder. This is a good one. I also really like the CoverGirl Advanced Radiance powder. Then this is my Milk Face Refresh spray. I do like the MAC Fix Plus as well, but this is a really good alternative. It's very refreshing. It doesn't make your face feel sticky at all, and I really enjoy this one. And I also have a Fenty Beauty. This is in the ice. It's super shiny, super glossy, and it is so good. And then last thing in my cosmetics pouch is my YSL lipstick. This is number 162, and their lipsticks are super creamy, and they aren't drying at all, and this is just such a beautiful shade. So that's all the things in my cosmetics pouch. And then next I have my 3-ring binder. This is such a pretty one, and of course I love things to match, so this was my choice. And then my iPad, and I mean, it fits quite a bit. Again, this is the reversible, so you can see just how beautiful it is in the navy as well. But those are all the things that fit in my powder blue Lacoste bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this What's in My Bag video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, and I'd love it so much if you'd go ahead and subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.